Something, something, something. Okay, guys. Look, it's raining. It's raining. I think you can see it, but look. Look at the windows. Why are the windows? Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a drop going down. Whoa, is that hail? Guys, I think it's hailing.
What?
I think it's hailing. It's not making any noise, but there's like these giant white, not giant, but like little white things falling off the roof. I think it's hailing. I'm not sure. Well, there's like this little white stuff on you. Whoa, Jesse, look at this. Look at the grass. It looks so pretty. It doesn't even look wet. Well, bye, guys.